What's up guys, welcome to another vlog or review. This time I've got a new Mini Cooper. It's a very wonderful car. It's a very fun car as well to drive. It's a manual, 6-gear manual. Let's start it. Put the ignition on. We didn't go for the sat-nav touchscreen because we didn't really need it. And here we've got the ambient lighting changing, and by pressing it forward and backwards I can change the colours, as I'll demonstrate now. I'm not sure how many colours we have, but they're all very bright and crisp. We've got hazard lights, no cruise control, got climate control. Let's jump out and show you the car from the outside. Before I show you it, look at the key. That's my dad pulling up. Let's switch the ignition back off. The window pops up. It's not the top spec, the top range. We've got medium-sized rims, we've got gloss plastic everywhere. It is a 4-seater. Got it about last week. It's a bit dirty right now. Obviously, if you may not know already, BMW own Mini Cooper or Minis. I'm going to clean these cars in the inside for the time being. We've got the Skoda Octavia and the Kia Niro. They're both very practical and very economical cars, so let's get with it. Currently in the Skoda. The automatic, I think this is one of the best gearbox they have in any car, a DSG gearbox. We've got the small touchscreen here. It's not much, you know. We've got sport mode. Turn that on. The resolution is not as crisp as the one in the Kia, but at least it does its job. It's fine. It's not got LED lights at the front, just rear. Got a couple of keys there. Just cleaning the car and inside with lemon wipes. Once I'm done, I'll show you. Before I show you, look how dirty the steering wheel is. That is horrible. Look at that. So I'll show you once I'm done. I've jumped into the Kia now to just brush off, just clean out the inside, shake the mats and whatnot. So let's get to it. And by the way, it's freezing. Got the beam as well now. Just turn the lights on the cars. Got these LEDs, surrounds, very cool. These. Look at this, this is a beautiful car. We've got LED blue lights for the registration. frameless doors. Wonderful. And yeah. Yeah, my dad's home. That's got the X4 pulled up now. Wonderful. Very tight parking, but oh well. I'm back in the Mini. Got so many keys here. Oh my god. Got the Skoda, the Mini, the Kia and the VW. The Beamer keys are actually inside. So let's put this aside. And to turn the ignition on or to start the car, you just keep the key aside or put it wherever, and there the car is, the ignition is on. I love these LED lights. Let's put it on. Yep, let's keep on red. Alright, let's switch the ignition back off. Got the Golf as well. Ooh, that's a bit close. How's it going out now?